In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn a full-time income with Amazon and the Amazon affiliate program. I'm going to take you from zero to hero, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to do to start earning passive income with the Amazon affiliate program. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I've earned commissions with everything from security cameras to web hosting, soundbars, stand mixers, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I am going to show you everything that you need to do to get started with Amazon. I'm going to show you a few examples of the successes that I've had and how you can get started relatively quickly. So let's jump into my computer so I can show you step by step how you can start generating a full-time income with Amazon. So just to show you, I want to show you my first YouTube channel here. My first YouTube channel is called thesecuritycameraguy.com. And with the Security Camera Guy, it's all about security cameras. And that's how I started earning some passive income with YouTube and Amazon. Now, my first blog, which was thesecuritycameraguy.com, my first commission with Amazon was 67 cents, and I'm actually pretty proud of that 67 cents. But let me show you the types of content that I created over on the Security Camera Guy YouTube channel so that you can replicate it for yourself in your niche. Now, what I'm going to show you will work for any product or service on Amazon. It will work for affiliate marketing in general. All right, so if you take a look at my screen here, this is my first YouTube channel. It's when I got serious about creating content. As you can see, I only have 1,000 subscribers, but my most viewed video, how to install Ring doorbell without existing doorbell, has over 219,000 views from 3 years ago. And I actually used that video to earn commissions with Amazon. And so this is just one example of what you can do to start earning passive income with Amazon and the Amazon affiliate program. So let's go ahead and talk about everything that you need to do to get started step by step. The first thing that you need to do is you need to join the Amazon affiliate program. And there's two ways to do it. The easy way is to go over to amazon.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on Become an Affiliate. The more tedious way is to type in affiliate-program.amazon.com, and then you're going to simply sign up. Now, when you sign up, it's going to ask for a blog or a website, an app, or a YouTube channel. Now, what I recommend that you do is I recommend that you get a domain name and web hosting. Now, if you click the second link in the description, it'll take you to the best web hosting provider for beginners. You'll get a domain name for free, and then you'll also get web hosting. I'll talk about why web hosting is important in just a minute, but let's go ahead and go through the process. So go ahead and sign up. It takes probably about 10 or 15 minutes. And once you sign up, you're going to have access to the back office. The second thing that I want you to do is to get something called SiteStripe. SiteStripe is going to make your life much easier when it comes to getting your links from Amazon. So I'm just going to log in here real quick, and then I'm going to show you where to go to get SiteStripe. All right, so once you're logged in to the back office of Amazon Associates, that's the affiliate network for Amazon, you're going to hover over Tools and then click SiteStripe. SiteStripe will make it much easier for you to get affiliate links. If you install SiteStripe, you can just go to amazon.com and grab your affiliate links from there. If you don't install SiteStripe, it's going to take a little bit more effort to get your affiliate links. It will save you probably about 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Okay, and so once you install SiteStripe, the next step is to figure out where you're going to create content. Now, the methods that I'm going to provide or show you are going to work for your blog. It's going to work for YouTube. It's going to work for TikTok. It will work for Instagram and Facebook groups as well. So you just need to decide where you feel most comfortable creating content. Now, if you're going to use something like TikTok or Facebook group, that's when you want to have a website, and I'll explain why in just a moment. So now that you know where you're going to create content, we need to figure out the type of content to create to get in front of your targeted buyers. For this example, I am going to use this camera right here. This is a Canon EOS Rebel T6, okay? This is an older model camera. It's actually not that expensive, but I'm going to use this as an example to show you the type of content that you can create to start generating some passive income. Now, I'm going to assume that we're using YouTube, but again, these methods are going to work for any platform out there. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to YouTube, and the first thing that we're going to type in is we're going to type in the name of the product. Again, this is a Canon Rebel I think it's T6, okay? And so if you look at my screen here, you can see that people are just searching about the Canon Rebel T6. They're looking for tutorials, video test, portrait photography, cinematic video photography, and so on. What we want to do is we want to create a review video. Okay, and again, this can work for any product. I'm just using that Canon because I have it right here. And so when we type in review, you're gonna see that there are tens of thousands of people that are looking for this review. Because this camera is a little bit older, the top result has 1 million views. The result below it, 32,000 views, 23,000 views. So you can see tons of people are searching this and watching the videos more importantly. And so what you're going to do when you create a review video, you're going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. The most important thing that you want to do when you're creating a review video is talk about the bads, the downsides. Now, believe it or not, the downsides are where you can actually solidify the purchase. Now, what I would do is I would say, hey, one of the downsides of this Canon is that you can't flip the screen, so you can't really see if you're doing videos like this. You can't see it if you're actually in the picture. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn that into a positive by talking about some ways to actually view yourself when you're looking at the lens. You could say, hey, but if you get an HDMI cable and connect it to a monitor, that solves the issue. And I've included the best HDMI and monitor to help you. And so again, you want to take those weaknesses and turn those into strengths. And again, you can do this for anything, and that's going to help you build a stronger connection with your target audience. I think that people now realize that most review videos are just glowing endorsements of whatever product, and they realize that there are negatives or cons to that product. And so if you can actually be honest and talk about both the strengths and the weaknesses, you can make money. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to look at a review video. Another thing that you can do is if you're just getting the product is do a simple unboxing video. So if we do unboxing here, and the cool thing with unboxings is you don't even have to show your face. You could simply just point your camera right at the box and show yourself opening it. You can talk about the weight. You might be heavier than you feel. Everything that came with the product, if it was packaged correctly, shipping, and you can even flip through the manual. And as you can see on the screen here, you can see the Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera premium kit unboxing and review, 35,000 views from 4 years ago. The best camera for YouTube, Canon Rebel T6 unboxing 3 years ago. So you can see that there are thousands of people that are looking for these unboxing type videos. So that's number 2, unboxing videos. You can also do simple tutorials. You could do tests. Different tests depending on the product. If it's a stand mixer, you could do stress tests. Now, the reason why all of this works is people are very close to buying it and they just want to ensure that what they're purchasing is going to solve their issues. Now, remember, as an affiliate marketer, your only job is to connect solutions to problems. And when you create content, you are doing just that. So you want to make sure that that is what you're doing and you're actually helping the customer. So we've got unboxing, we've got reviews, we've got first impression, we've got maybe mistakes or problems or issues, and you can use that to generate even more traffic. So that's at the very bottom of the funnel. When you think about creating content, it's an inverted pyramid. Reviews are at the bottom because most customers know the problem and they know the solution. The very top of the funnel, where you're creating who, what, when, where, how, and why type content, that's going to be the widest grouping of people because those people know they have a problem, but they don't know the solution. And so they're actually searching for a solution, and there's a wider group of people searching for a solution. Now at the very top, because there's such a wide audience, they don't know that the solution is the Canon T6. And so they're going to be asking very general, very basic questions. But let's get back towards the bottom of the funnel. Now that we've created review type content, we can take a step up in our inverted pyramid or funnel, and we can create content like versus or comparison. For example, I could type in Canon T6 Rebel versus, and if we look here, people are comparing everything from iPhone 11 Pro to the M50 to the Sony A6 1000. So if we click on that one, for example, that's going to be people asking questions and they're coming closer to a solution. They want to make sure that they're picking one of the two best products for their needs. And so you can see here, 17,000 views, 63,000 views. There are tons of views to be had. And this is a wider avenue simply because there are more options. So as you saw on the screen here, people are looking to compare the Canon to a smartphone. And so you can simply create more content here and you can attract a wider audience. And the cool thing about comparison or versus videos is that you can actually be an affiliate for both the Canon and the other product and still make money. So now that you see the versus, we're going to take a step up and we're going to do best camera for, okay? And right here, we're going to create list videos. For example, we're going to do best camera for, and you can see people are asking for YouTube, for photography, for vlogging, video shooting. And again, here, you're going to make a list of the 5 or 6 best or even 10 best cameras for their needs. People are asking for their individual needs, and you're simply going to solve that problem. Or you can even type in best DSLR for, and once again, you're going to see that people are asking all sorts of questions. Best DSLR for videography, as you can see here. Again, this is going to be a wider group of people because they're looking for the 5 or 10 best opportunities. Another avenue that we can go down is best X under Y. So we're going to do best DSLR under $1,000, for example. And once again, you're going to see that there are lots of people asking this question. And the reason why this works so well is they have decided that a DSLR camera is going to solve their problem. They just want it to fit their budget. They want it to meet their needs. And as you can see, 37,000 views, 45,000 views, 9,000 views. This will work for any platform. This will work for TikTok. This will work for YouTube, Facebook groups. This will work for your blog. You name it, this will work. And so you're simply going to create content with the best DSLR cameras under $1,000. You're going to grab your affiliate links from Amazon and you're going to put them in the description. Now, one of the common questions that I get all the time is, what if I don't have the product? Or what if I don't know? What if I don't know the best DSLR under $1,000? This is your opportunity to do a little bit of research and become a local subject matter expert. And what I mean by that, what you're going to do is you're going to go on Amazon, you're going to look at the product specs. More importantly, you're going to take a look at the customer reviews. You're going to take a look at the good reviews and the bad reviews, and you're going to say something like, well, some customers are saying that the lens gets foggy after 3 p.m. And when you do that, you go out and do the research, you can actually become the subject matter expert. Now, as the marketer or the affiliate, it's not absolutely necessary for you to become the expert, but you want to make sure that you are providing as much information as possible. And so now that we have that, we're going to take one more step up and we're going to talk about how to. If our goal is to promote this Canon camera, what we're going to do is we are going to type in something like how to make better YouTube videos, okay? And you're going to see that there are even more opportunity here. Now, these people don't really know the solution. They know that they have a problem and you are going to simply help them. You can create list type videos, 5 ways to make better YouTube videos, 5 ways to improve your lighting for your camera, 5 ways to X without Y is always a really good opportunity. And then you can make money. So if we're going from smallest group of people, most targeted, most best opportunity to make money, you want to do reviews, unboxing, first impressions. If you're looking to take a step up, you are going to compare 2 products that are in the same niche. For example, a KitchenAid stand mixer versus a Amazon Work stand mixer. And then you can take a step up, do best X under Y or best X for Y. And then the top of that funnel is going to be who, what, when, where, why, and how. Now, getting back over to why you should get a website. If you are using something like TikTok or Facebook group, Facebook isn't a huge fan of affiliate links. And so you can create a simple website and put buttons on your website, like a link tree type of thing. And it's going to be better for you. Link tree crashes, I would say, every few weeks. I know that if I click on a link tree to learn more information, sometimes it just doesn't work. It says it can't be found. And so I recommend that you spend $3 a month and get your own website so that you can be seen as an authority. If you are in business to make money, I recommend that you go out and get your own website. If you're just playing around and testing your business, then I guess Linktree is okay. But ultimately, I recommend that you get your own domain name and web hosting. You can click that second link in the description to get a domain name for free for the first year. So now that you know how to get started with Amazon step by step, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.